Hey guys, today we will try to change windshield on a car. Let's get into it and start with removing wipers. I recommend using this puller. You can use pliers, but there is a risk of damage to wiper mechanism. Remove these metal clamps. And pry the plastic shield under the windshield. There is hidden bolt under the panel. And lastly, the rubber seals. Now we can start to trim the windshield. I am using welding wire, but you can also use guitar string. Start from one corner. I recommend to do this with one more person, which will be inside the car. Remove all the old seal. I was using knives for this job. You should remove it all the way to the metal. And remove all the debris and grease. Don't forget on the new windshield. Prepare your car and windshield with primer. And now we can put our sealant on. Read the instructions on the tube. Carefully put the new windshield on. There is few minutes period where you can move the windshield a bit to best position. I put few strips of tape on the windshield so it will not slide while drying out. Don't forget your mirror, and thank you for watching.